guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hemesh and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this LDR circuit using the Arduino Nano. So our goal of this project is to show how much darkness or light is there in the room with this LDR sensor, and according to that we are going to turn on the LEDs. So this is going to be a fun project. So let's get started. These are the materials required for the project. Some jumper wires male to male, a LDR sensor, light dependent resistor, a 10K resistor, and 3 LEDs of any color you want, an Arduino Nano just to make it a breadboard friendly board, and a breadboard. So first we are going to connect the LDR sensor to 2 different rows of the breadboard. And now we are going to take 2 jumper wires, and connect it to one of the terminals. Each to one of the terminals. Yes, now they are connected. And then we are going to take the 10K resistor and plug it in to the right side of the LDR, right terminal of the LDR sensor. Yes, basically we are building a voltage divider for us to get the signal pin. So now we are going to connect another jumper to the other side of the resistor. So now we are going to, this is going to be the signal, this is going to be 5 volts, and this is going to be the ground pin. Now we are going to connect the signal of the LDR to the any of the digital pins. For now I am going to connect it to the D12 pin of the Arduino Nano. Okay guys, now we are going to connect the 5 volts, which is this pin, to the 5 volt pin of the Arduino Nano. Yes, and now the ground goes to the ground pin, and now the ground goes to the ground pin of the Arduino Nano. Guys, yes, and now we are going to go to the LEDs. So the LEDs have two different leads. One is a longer one and one is a shorter one. So now we are going to connect them in series. The longer one is the positive terminal and the shorter one is the negative terminal. So we are going to take one of the LED and connect it to the breadboard. So my plan is to connect it in series so that we can use one pin of the Arduino Nano for all the 3 LEDs. So I have used the longer pin over here and the shorter pin over here. So I am going to connect them in series. So the red one goes here again. One second guys. Yes. And this is the longer and this is the shorter one. So the same thing happens. So we are going to take the 2 other jumper wires and all the shorter wires. One second guys, I made an error. It's always best to check your errors so that you learn something new. Yep, all are connected now, and now we are going to connect the other jumpers. So the shorter terminal of all LEDs connected in series goes to ground, as you expected, and the longer terminal, the positive terminal, goes to any of the digital pins of the Arduino Nano. So for now I am going to connect it to the D8 pin. Yep. 1 second, guys. Yep, they are connected. Okay, now our circuit is ready, and now we are going to upload. Now our circuit is ready. We are going to upload the code. The code is in the description below. You can simply copy that and paste it into the Arduino IDE. It's really simple, guys. So I'll meet you after uploading this code. Is the project completed. I've uploaded the code just right now, and let's see how it works. So this is the LDR sensor and these are the LEDs. I think the white LED is not glowing because it has been fused. So when I put my hand, it covers, the light is being covered, so the LDR glows. So when I remove it, it doesn't glow lights. Like this, like that. So I've used the laptop as a power supply. As you can see, I connected this to the laptop, or else you can connect it to a 9-volt battery by using the ground and win port of the Arduino Nano. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Guys, bye.